Hello, today new video for a new Maurice Lacroix. This one, oh this one, but one is empty because I have yet this cool aikon bronze. So cool, honestly, unbelievable. Okay, and we have this, okay, and it's this one today I present to you. Perhaps it's an empty box, we'll see. Hey. Like we can see, the packaging is just amazing with this big button. Oh, sorry, it's in there. Oh, it's the sporty one of the family. Like we can see, it's an icon. Really cool. With sapphire crystal, Swiss made, of course, stainless steel. Yep, like we can see. Very cool for dive, a cool étanchéité, 30 ATM, like we can see. The bezel is amazing with this six slot. The blue is sunbrush and the design is amazing. I wear this one yesterday too. And I love the detail. It's a sporty one for me on the Aikon family from Maurice Lacroix with rubber. It's a perfect model. Sapphire crystal, of course. Swiss movement. Automatic, of course. Hope you like the detail. And my friend, what is your favorite? This one. This one. Aikon, bronze, blue one, the Ventura. I think the blue one I can swim, surf with this one. Not with this one because it's a gel. But this one, very cool for sport. Perhaps tomorrow and this weekend, we'll see. Hope you like my presentation so quick of this new model of Maurice Lacroix, the sporty one, and it's an amazing one.